Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy Kangamoon on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Kangamoon on Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type Kangamoon just like this and search for it. Now here is the thing, if the cryptocurrency is not available on the Coinbase app, you will see something like this on your home screen, and if it is available, you can simply buy it. Unfortunately, there are some cryptocurrencies that you cannot buy on the Coinbase app directly. And if it is available, you can simply tap onto the buy button, add the payment method and buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy Kangamoon on Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.